A pleasant day to you, sir, ma'am. My name is Rodora Micarino, 33 years old, married, mother of two. I am the one who took good care of my children. I am a resident of Atok Benguet, Philippines. I took Bachelor of Science in Agriculture in Benguet State University with 5 years of experience as a babysitter to Mr. and Miss Fermin's kid. I took good care of their kids, handling, feeding, bathing, playing, sleep routines, and ensuring their safety. I can also do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry while the kids are napping. To you, my future employer, if you hires me, you can rely on me to take good care of your children and treat you like my family. I promise to fulfill my contract with you, sir, ma'am. I am a person. I am a kind person, loving, hardworking, respectful, caring, and a person who can follow rules and instruction and is open to learn new things. Thank you, and may God continue to bless your family, sir, ma'am.